What's up, y'all? SES. We back with another one. Man, told y'all we got them bumper fillers. Got 4 on. One sold already. One was sold before he even came here. And then it been like Christmas, bro. All right, we back. Got everything open, man. So like I said, we got them bumper fillers. Anybody interested? Some off-brand 6.5s. Not giving no names because they ain't sponsoring me. But we'll see how it sound once it's actually in the car. Got a 650. It's not Holly. They put it right there. Double pump. Dual inlets for the fuel. I had to have it. So with the existing bracket system, should be able to work with one of these holes. That'll be that. All right, now lastly, here is the HID housing that we're gonna put in the Donk. So see the light removal on the factory ones that you get, the light ain't removable. So yeah, how to get those. We got to have that bright white or that ice blue, one of the two. You got to. Can't have no old school in your life, man. It's ugly, in my opinion. But if you like it, then I love it. That's just me. So I might go and hook these up right now, cause the I don't know if I'm gonna have to hardwire it. I don't know nothing. I'm gonna take my electrical tape, the pigtails I bought for the LEDs, some T-taps, a bunch of little small electrical connectors, because I can't bring the car over here. Well, I can, but I'm not doing it right now because I got other stuff to do. But I can't run over there and do that. That probably take me about an hour or less. Probably actually less than an hour, but I'm just giving myself an hour time. Want to go over there to the car?
What kind of car?
My car, the yellow one.
The yellow one that was in the storage?
Mm-hmm.
I did not know you bringed it here.
I didn't. You want to go over there to it?
I don't know.
It's up to you. So yeah, y'all seen the tank. I got that pool. I'm gonna clean it. I might clean it tonight. Turn a couple corners. Almost everything for the Donk came. And some other parts. Y'all know what them is right there. Yep. Y'all know what them is. What you do?
What you say?
What you do to your feet? We over here nighttime and trying to get these LEDs hooked up. I was trying to come to where it be daytime when we do the wiring and nighttime when I show y'all, but they ran over my schedule, man. So I brought on this little bracket. I don't see how it fit. In the box Chevy. These two pieces right here, both on the core support. Nah, it's too big. So I don't know what type of battery they have right there. But I don't want to put no battery without no core support. I mean, without no tray on it. All right, y'all said paint between the lights, so I wasn't painting this. That's chrome. I wasn't painting none of this. I'm just painting the emblem, a color, the car color or the color of the top and wheels. But the top and the wheels they don't match, but they still coordinate. So yeah, these is TIARRA covers also. For those who don't know, don't come on the car. I'm over here messing up. I didn't know that's how that went. So I'm gonna put that back. I figured out. So let's see. It might just be the spring loaded joint. Oh yeah, we just gonna zap the cover off. It's just like an old box heavy. Got screws for the cover. The silver piece is the cover. So I'm gonna get that out and then get the wire on my light. How could I not do it before? Let me go ahead and do that. Hook this battery up right now. I bought another alarm too. Which light is that coming on? The outside or the inside?
One outside, one inside.
Oh, let me see. Brake lights on.
One on the left on this side and the one.
All
Oh, mine. Both of them on the left.
right. Yeah, that's not a high beam. So my little kit, the little kit was plug and play. So that's cool. So now I'm about to see what type of bulb is on the highs. And then I'll just order that bulb. And then that's when the wiring part come in. So I order the same lights in that bulb. But I'm about to plug these up and see. Make something happen real quick. Try something. Alright, for now, so I'm gonna just go with one on both sides. So these high beams, you got a different angle up here. Y'all see that one is close to here. And you look at this one, it's way farther down. So it make it hard for it to fit. So I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna look up the part number for that high beam. And then that's what I'm gonna go ahead and order. And then order another set of the same lights. And we'll have both. But I'm gonna put this back in. And then put the high beam in, but don't turn it on. This low beam was blowing anyway. And then the high beam on the other side was blowing. So another set of lights. And then put that one over there on the low. Put this back in. Then I'm gonna cut y'all on post pictures. Yeah, so y'all can let me know what y'all think, man. One set of HIDs or LEDs or two? Cause I'm thinking two. It is bright too, very bright. I love it.
Oh, this is so bright from the sky.
Yep. See, stop parking cars out. Glad I did. I need that bracket. So y'all see, like I said, the high beams got that big gap. Low beams don't. And then these pieces right here on the passenger side, I need it. Don't got neither one. But yeah, I just need these two outside brackets. So I'm gonna put them on the insides, and I'm gonna order a whole nother set of lights. And then I'll have 4 bright LED lights. It'll be beaming for me. So I'm about to order my lights. And I'm glad I got my brackets. I just need those little white clip pieces that go here. Yeah, I just need those. Let me take a picture, send it to Donk parts. See if he got it. But yeah, man. Oh, this is crazy, man. This car coming together so quick. Cause it's already done and done, but it's coming together so quick. We're gonna jump on the Landau. So let me take these pictures, and then I'll cut y'all back on once I get my new lights. What's up, man? We back with another one. So I need a name for the cream dunk. Y'all give me a name. I just call it 73 cream dunk and cream dunk. But need a name for it. Y'all give me a name. Also, man, look like y'all been enjoying the content. I'm doing as best as I can with the phone. I really don't have time to sit on the computer right now, so I just edit on the go, literally on the go. So I'm editing while shopping, grocery shopping, sitting in the house, doing homework. I'm just editing. Like, I don't have the time to go sit on my work computer and edit. So I ain't even have time to work my CNC, man. Like, for real, I really don't have the time. So, but I've been pushing out content. Y'all tell me how y'all like it. And lastly, the console and the kick pods, I'm making something. The kick panels, they made in this that style that I did on that black dunk. Like I said, I don't really too much like that style because the way I made it is hard to wrap it, and I really was just trying to make something. And yeah, I mean it's a decent style and all that, but it's just the way that I formed it, it's gonna be hard to wrap. So I'm going away from that. I found a whole nother design that I like, and then I'm gonna stick with that one. I see how to do it. I mean, I got a vision on how to do it, and that'll be that. So I'm making a big basic console for it, and then those plain little style kick panels that I did in the black Donk, and I'ma just sell it. But it ain't nothing that I'm trying to like go crazy on. This I promise y'all, I'll make it in like 2 days. It's gonna be ultra simple, but it's gonna be not plain Jane, but it's gonna be simple. It's gonna be something that I know I can do in no time. But I wanna say thank y'all for the support, man. I'm headed to the factory store right now, and I'm gonna get ready to shoot another video following the ending of this one. But yeah, SCS.